guys, it's Christina here, and I'm filming day 21, and it is January 21, so I've done a video every day, and I'm sort of in a rut. I feel that I don't want to do anymore, and I didn't think it would come this fast, but the paintings and drawings I don't mind that. I don't feel like doing it anymore, making a movie of every drawing I do. But I'm hearing this voice in my head that's just saying, keep going, just keep going. So I'm gonna try that and listen to that voice. And well, this is last year I wanted to go to Tokyo, Japan, and I was kind of in this mood, and I did sort of a Tokyo Noodlestand, just a sketch, and I didn't really do more than that. So, but this time, this video is that I'm inking it in on watercolor papers, and we'll see tomorrow if I can make some color on it. Well, just to say hi, and that I'm feeling a bit out of sorts, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. That is a big part of being an artist, I think. Just to keep going even though you don't feel like it. Of course, sometimes you have to take a break, and it's good for you. But I have had a long break, so I don't need it. I just feel like it. And well, I'm gonna listen to my head instead of everything else that's screaming at me. So hopefully you'll like this video as well. I really enjoy reading every comment that you make and that you write, and all the support. Thank you. You are so positive, and that really keeps me going. That keeps me want to do more. So thank you for that. Thank you for the support. Over to this drawing. I'm gonna see what I can make of it. So thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.